sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable
Speaker, sir,
Speaker has
it
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I'm being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah.
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Rule
right.
349, under Rule 349, no.
राहुल गांधी ने मंगलवार को लोकसभा की कार्यवाही के दौरान दिन में 2 बजे फिर से चीन का मुद्दा उठाया। उन्होंने पूर्व सेना प्रमुख मनोज नरवणे के कोट का जिक्र करते हुए कहा कि मैंने राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा का मुद्दा उठाया है। इस पर सत्ता पक्ष के ने सवाल उठाए, जिसके बाद हंगामा बढ़ गया। विपक्षी सांसदों ने कहा कि आखिर नेता प्रतिपक्ष को बोलने क्यों नहीं दिया जा रहा है। इसके बाद राहुल गांधी ने क्या कुछ कहा, आप खुद सुनिए।
Speaker, sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir. Chairman,
listen.
sir. Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking.
What are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir, sir.
One second. Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
It
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I'm being given, Speaker, sir.
Yeah. That's why
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. Naik. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman, sir. Chairman, sir. Speaker, sir. I am.
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman, sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I am just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker, sir, our President's address was about the path that India has to chart, the direction in which India has to move. Today, on the world stage, the main issue in international affairs is the conflict between China and the United States. This is central. This is central. This is central to our President's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is I want to make a statement about what happened between China and India and how our Prime Minister reacted to it. Why am I being stopped? Sir, in Ladakh, in eastern Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.
Then what is this? What is this? You give ruling now. You give ruling now. You give ruling now.
I have requested, I I requested Honorable LOP to speak repeatedly. I made a request to speak on the speech of the Honorable President.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update. Download the One India app now.